So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Docusign for letters of recommendation. The first thing we need to do is to initialize the new agreement. Log into your Docusign CLM homepage and locate the top navigation menu. Click on New Agreement. Now select the Generate option from the prompt to start building a fresh contract directly within the platform. Now to choose your template and populate it, pick your contract type such as an NDA, SOW or MSA from your team's pre-built standardized templates. Now select the recipient. Then fill out the dynamic details form to automatically merge unique clause language into the contract. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.